look at yourself and answer the question, are you an addict?
You're calling me, man. I just gotta go to it. Need help, man.
What's going on, world? Welcome to another episode of the Addicts Podcast, brought to you by FayLinStudios.com. That's FAYELIN Studios.com. Your one-stop shop for photos, videos, graphic design, and all types of other cool shit.
Yeah, go to FayLinStudios.com and check out the Addicts page.
Yeah.
And listen to those episodes, the latest episodes.
Shit,
and
listen to
check
all
out the
of them.
pictures. Yeah, listen to all of them. And check out the pictures and all that shit.
Get the whole collection.
Yeah.
Yeah, we in here. Go by the
Yes,
name
sir.
of Gates.
And I'm Jay Curse. And we are the motherfucking Addicts.
Yes.
And there's been a crazy week of niggas getting punched in the face.
Oh, my God.
And
Dangerous week.
yeah. we got J. Cole album this week.
Dope
You
album.
know what I'm saying? Ill ass album.
Dope album.
Ill ass album, but very, no, how can I put it? J. Cole to me is overrated, but not to the point where like he's whack to me.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, what I think is J. Cole is very dope. And I don't know, it's not a lot of dope rappers. So when they come around, we kind of lose our mind a little bit.
Yeah.
We're not, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
back in the 90s and shit like that, it was so many good rappers.
Right.
Which, I mean, this is a good thing. It's a good thing that J. Cole and whoever that puts out good music is a little overhyped. That means, you know, it's
Right.
appreciated. So I'm not mad at that.
Well, we all know people overhype content. I mean, it's not even.
That's true.
I don't
That's
even want to
true.
see, because he not even like preachy on there. He just like on some regular shit though. Like it's just real relatable. you know?
Yeah.
So people love it.
Yeah, that's what makes it real, that people can relate to it, and it's some everyday shit that you can vibe with, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, I'm having a tough time with my jacket. These lights are hot as fuck.
Man.
Yeah. Like the joint, what's the joint? Wet Dreams.
Yeah, that song is
That shit
crazy.
is crazy, man.
I
It's super
fucks with it.
relatable. Like
Yeah.
everybody done had that.
Everybody done,
that moment.
Hopefully you done lost your virginity and you can relate to that
What's
song.
up? Yeah. To those of you,
Depending on how old you are, you know,
well, you know, even we might have some 40-year-old versions out here.
it'll kill you.
That's fucked up.
No, go buy some.
Yeah, pay for
Buy
it.
some. You know what I
Fuck
mean?
it. If I was if I was my age right now, but no, younger than this, I would pay for it if I wasn't getting that.
Hell yeah. I mean, why not?
Yeah,
That's all you doing anyway. If you pay to take a girl out to eat,
Yeah.
to the movies, you paying for pussy. I mean,
Absolutely.
It depends. You know, it depends on how you want to look at it. You paying for it.
You ain't got
You might as well get it over with.
Get it over with.
Especially if you ain't never had none. I'm like, fuck it, man. Look, this is the deal.
Absolutely.
I'm not gonna wine and dine you. I'm thirsty.
They don't care.
I've never had any.
I
You know
go
what
to
I'm
the
saying?
I go to the massage parlors.
Man, hell
I
yeah.
make it happen.
Do something.
Like fuck it.
Go to the Bunny
I-
Ranch, nigga.
Yeah, go out
Hop
to
in-
Vegas.
Go to Avis, get you a rental. Go
Yep.
make it do what it do. Fuck that. I'm not about to be out here dry.
Nah, man.
Mid
nah.
20s, 30s, 40s. Fuck that.
No, you gotta do something like that. Shit is ill. But if you did lose your virginity at a decent age,
Yeah.
and
I just thought about some silly shit.
what,
I wonder if virgins are like people with no money. Money's not everything. I wonder if they feel like
those
sex
money-
ain't up. Everything ain't about
Nah.
sex.
I think they tell themselves that.
I don't know, man. I got to talk to a virgin, man. Any virgins out here, hit us up and give us your input on what it's like, man. We love to know.
I don't believe you think it's like grown ass. I would love to have like a grown ass version on the
Need a
show.
virgin on this show. Like, what's up, man? What happened?
Yeah, that should be funny.
What went wrong?
Right. You know, they might be in the church, you know. And,
Yeah.
they might be in the church and they found Jesus.
Yeah.
And
they don't want to have sex
yeah,
before marriage.
Sex
and the whole
before
nine.
marriage, all that.
That's
I'm baiting you right now.
Yeah, you are. You trolling a little bit.
I'm trolling. I'm definitely trolling.
I ain't even trying to get in, you know what I mean? Hey,
Yeah.
man, if Jesus don't want you to get none, don't get none.
Not until marriage, man. Save that shit. You know, I feel it. I'm all for that shit.
Yeah, save. I'm all for it. Wait
You
until
know?
you're married to know what your partner's sex game is like. Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah.
Go
Oh,
for
yeah.
it.
So if she's weak, you stuck with her.
Yeah, that's smart though. It's not because it doesn't matter.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a great idea, you fucking idiots. I'm about to be out here clueless as fuck.
Yeah.
I didn't took this vow to be with you for the rest of my
Forever.
life. And your shit could be some trash.
With some weak ass sex game.
Yo, that don't even make sense,
Wow.
man. At some
That's
point, you got to
fucked up.
close that book and use your brain,
Absolutely.
man.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry.
No, yeah, I get it.
I'm not saying it like that, but
I
certain
agree.
things is like, come on, man. It's your common sense.
Yeah, I agree. Like, I mean, but then you got a daughter.
That's true.
So, like, you
You
know.
will be a virgin before marriage. I'm talking about the guys, yo.
You gotta have,
Let's
if you
make this
got
clear.
guys, you gotta have girls to, you know,
Well, yeah, girls for that.
not yours.
Not
though.
my daughter.
I understand. That's one hundred.
It's always gonna be girls for that.
We
though.
we could do them like
Yeah.
on Bad Boys with Will Smith and
Oh yeah,
Martin.
that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
You gonna the nigga that go out with my daughter, you gonna love her. You gonna have to.
Yeah. And if you give her the game, it's all good.
Oh,
She ain't
yeah,
gonna
I
bring
know.
home no scrubs.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, so it'll work out.
She gonna be stiff arming niggas, man.
Absolutely. I got sons.
Giving niggas the
so-
Heisman treatment, man.
Yeah.
Super curb action. Fuck out of
Absolutely.
here, man. What?
Hey, you gonna have to treat me better than my pops treated me. And it's gonna
Yeah.
be a hard.
It's gonna be a tough act to follow.
Yeah,
nigga.
a tough act
So
to
it's
follow.
Like, yo, you gotta be on your shit.
Yeah, that's why we gotta. That's why daughters need their fathers in their
Yeah,
lives, man.
it's very. I mean, it's obvious that that's lacking out here.
Yeah.
you know?
You can see it. You try to mess with a girl with no father figure in their life,
Oh man,
it's terrible.
it's the worst.
Well,
It
you know
could
what?
be.
I'm not gonna say it's terrible. It could be. It could be like if they fucking
Well,
low
it-
self esteem and all that shit.
Yeah, it depends on the way you handle it.
Yeah.
The way the female handles it. A lot of times, it don't pan out too good.
Yeah.
There's certain women who are strong enough to get through that and still have their mind right.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, that shit is important for sure.
Absolutely. I got sons, so you know,
Oh,
as
yeah.
long as they not gay, like I'm cool.
No offense to the gay community.
Yeah, no offense to the gay
My
community,
kids won't be
but
joining
I
you.
don't want I don't want mine involved. And
Yo.
it's getting pushed in our face too, man.
It's getting forced on us like the new normal.
Yeah, I just got cable because I was like on some like new hippie shit, like
Yeah.
just streaming. Fuck y'all, I'm controlling what I watch.
That's what I'm still on.
Until the Cavs came on,
Fuck
and I
them.
couldn't watch
No, I'm
no
just playing.
basketball. That's fucked up.
I know I'm playing. Hell no.
Yeah, I couldn't watch no basketball, and I had to get that shit. But it's a gay channel.
It's a gay ass channel. It's a gay ass channel out here.
Yeah, I mean, I caught myself. You see how he
No,
did?
I
me?
wonder if would that offend the gay people.
Like, it's a gay ass channel out here. It is. It's a gay ass channel.
I mean, it's a gay ass channel. It's
Yeah, what is it, logo?
for gay people. Yeah.
Yeah, lesbian.
I don't know what it stands
know.
for. I'm pretty sure
I
it's
don't know.
lesbians and gays in there
Something,
somewhere.
man. Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't know.
I'm surprised they ain't put transgenders in there.
They do.
Oh, that's
Bridget
crazy.
watch. She watches. The RuPaul
Oh, man.
show with a contest or some shit. I don't. Man, I'm like, look,
I stay away from the reality shows unless you're talking about bring Flavor of Love back.
bring my nigga back. He was at the Soul Train Wars
Yeah,
representing.
yeah,
Man.
bring Flavor of Love. I will watch that every week.
It's
I'll
like
tune in.
It's like the fiend you just welcome, man. You know what I mean? Like the fiend you just hold to this high regard,
Yeah.
man. You just respect him, like yo,
He's entertaining.
for sure. I don't even think he's a fiend. I don't know. I don't want to.
I'm pretty sure he done did his fair share of
He's
drugs.
got that look to him, like yo,
Yeah,
this nigga
yeah.
done dabbled in some things.
Absolutely. I know he did his fair share of drugs.
I fuck with Flavor Flav. Though. I got a lot of love and respect for that. dude,
Hell yeah.
man.
Hell yeah. I was on his Instagram page and he's posting old pics up with Pac and shit.
That's dope.
You know, that's ill, man. So shout out to Flavor Flav
And Chuck D.
and Chuck D, Public Enemy. You know what I'm saying?
1989.
Hey, them was the first. Yo, was they like the first conscious rappers? Like
The first relevant,
super
I believe.
political. Like
They was the first conscious superstars for
yeah,
sure.
they was rough. Like
Chuck D ain't give a fuck.
Nah,
Both of them.
yeah.
They came in. Hey, this what it is.
they was dogging everybody.
And to go from that, I'm not even saying you have to be like that. But
Yeah.
these rappers now, people in the entertainment industry, period. A lot of these dudes are spineless, man, and gutless. You know what I
I
mean?
mean, niggas just they lack depth. Honestly,
that too.
You
That,
know,
yeah,
they
that
just.
plays a huge part.
I just think I just want to fuck bitches and get money.
Yeah, they don't give a fuck about.
Yeah.
They don't care until they the ones
Right.
getting tackled on the fucking ground or
And
some
most
crazy
rappers-
shit happening to them. Most people feel that way though.
Well,
Ain't
most
just the
rappers young. Most rappers are young as fuck too. You
Yeah.
notice the older ones. I mean, not even older, but like the ones They had a
20s
little-
and up.
Yeah, like mid 20s and up.
Yeah.
They about that shit. You know?
Oh yeah, because they passed the honeymoon phase where you think life is a big joke and shit.
Yeah, that fresh out. That's perfect. That fresh out of high school.
It's past that. It's like, okay, this is what's really up. You know?
Absolutely.
That post-college shit.
Yeah.
It's like, whoa.
Except for 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz didn't. I don't know. I mean, he keep it trill though. Like
2 Chainz is he just having fun. I think 2 Chainz is real intelligent. The music he makes, he just wants to kick it and have fun, which is I can respect it because if you put a camera in front of that nigga and give him an interview, he'll hit you with some real game. You know
he's a smart dude.
Yeah, so I fuck with Chainz. Now, Young Thug, that dude, man.
Here we go again, Thugger.
Damn, we always bring him.
Yeah, let's not talk about him. But back to 2 Chainz. You see his show, his web show he got?
No.
That expensive shit, most expensive shit.
Oh, yeah, I did see that. He had a
That's pretty
toothbrush
cool.
that was like $5,000.
Yeah.
I'd buy that shit. I mean, it said last forever. Why not?
Yeah, I mean, if I had it, why not?
Yeah, I mean, if it lasts your whole life.
Yeah, I think that's cool though that he did that. People really taking advantage of the internet.
Yeah,
like
you have
ourselves.
to. Yeah, you got
Take
to.
advantage of the internet, man.
What Arsenio should have did.
Hell yeah. I mean, he still can.
He still can, yeah.
Dude, he should do podcasts.
I don't see why not. He should do the Arsenio Hall show on the internet, man.
Shit, that should be dope.
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
Polo, call Arsenio. Let's
Call
get
him,
this
man.
shit going.
Arsenio, put on for the city.
Put on for the city. He is from Cleveland.
Hell
Come
yeah,
on.
man.
Yeah,
Arsenio got to
man.
represent, man.
Brought to you by Phelan Studios.
I'm about to hit him up, man, on Twitter.
Hell
Probably
yeah.
ignore us, but fuck it. It's worth a shot, man. Get Arsenio out here the right way, man.
He should, man. That'd be ill.
Yeah, his show was dope.
Yeah, he had some good people on there, man.
You got people hating behind the scenes. They'll put a
You
plug.
know how them folks do.
Somebody got the ability to shut your shit down, and
Yeah.
whether good or bad, you know. I mean,
Nah,
at that stage
folks,
of your
man.
career, you want to be able to call the shots, man.
It's just the fact that he left and then came back.
Yeah.
So it was like, but it's
Well,
a
he didn't
different
leave.
world, though.
They canned him, didn't they? Didn't they fire him twice?
I thought he quit. I
Nah,
thought
I thought they-
that's what he said. Of course, he might.
Oh, I don't know. I thought they fucked him over the first time.
No, he said he quit because his son or something, like he wanted to, be with his son. But I don't know.
That just sounds fishy.
Yeah, he just quit.
I mean, how much time you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think he was rapping all over the world. He was on a show every
Right.
day. You know, I don't know about that.
How much
story,
money
man.
did he have? He probably got businesses and shit, though.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm pretty sure Arsenio Hall is caked.
Yeah.
Probably eating off of Coming to America.
Hell yeah.
All right,
One of
so-
my favorite movies all
yeah,
the time.
That's definitely one of the classics.
Definitely. Yeah, Eddie Murphy's my guy, man. I'm an Eddie Murphy. I got damn near the whole collection.
Yeah, Eddie Murphy is the shit. I fuck with Nutty Professor, man.
Yeah, I got the Nutty Professors, all that shit.
That shit is
Eddie Murphy,
hilarious,
that guy.
man.
Hell yeah.
Friday night at 8. I will not
Yo,
be late.
Like comedy and hip hop go hand in hand, man.
Hell yeah.
You know, that's like the Wayans brothers. We talk about them
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah, and how we are inspired by him.
Hell yeah.
And that was kind of the idea of the logo we wanted
Yeah,
to go
you can
for.
see it in the logo.
You know, because that's what we came up on. Like, we used to rush home from school and watch the Wayans brothers.
Hell
Like,
yeah.
It's legendary shit, and it's very hip hop.
Yeah, I stay up now. It come on MTV2. I stay up 2
Yeah.
o'clock in the morning and watch it.
Hey, man.
Watch that shit all night.
Man, the Wayans brothers, Martin,
Hell
Jamie
yeah.
Foxx. That's
Hell
hip hop.
yeah.
You know, hip hop is a lifestyle.
It is.
You can't let people or powers that be try to redefine what hip hop is and give it
Right.
back to us in this half-ass form. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like, it's not love and hip hop. That's not hip hop.
That's
man.
not hip hop. They need to take hip hop out of that shit.
They
man.
need to. I mean,
Damn.
but that's the thing. Like, who is in control of the word? Why
Right.
is it so whored out like that?
And then that's old Mona over there. That's her with that shit, man.
She know better.
know better.
Cause she used to be a video girl, and she was in what was, man? I want to say one of them old school Black Sheep. She was in the Black Sheep video. I forgot
Oh,
which
yeah?
one. Yeah,
Wow.
so she know about, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She know the game, and I mean,
pimping
she's
them out.
winning, but at what cost though? You know what I
I
mean?
guess sometimes you gotta pimp your own people out.
Fuck that. Not
That's
me.
fucked up, man.
Not me. That shit ain't cool.
Damn, that's fucked up, man.
J. Cole, he flat out said reality shows is trash. Love and hip hop trash.
Yeah.
People starting to keep it real now because it's like, come on, man, shit is weak, man.
Yeah, niggas with some sense, we know. Like,
Yeah.
you know, we know that shit
But
is bullshit.
It's not even. It's stupid. Like you sit and watch that shit, you feel like your brain is just turning into mush, man.
Yeah.
You know,
And then you will end up getting into that shit.
yeah,
You know,
it's
sitting there
entertaining. I'm
watching
not
it.
going front.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
if you get caught up, it's hypnotizing,
It is.
and it's like that on purpose. That shit ain't no coincidence.
Yeah.
you know?
I sat there at my mother house and she into all that shit. And I just told her, like I don't feel right cussing. I'm talking about my mother.
Oh yeah.
And she gonna be listening to this. No, she's watching it.